How to fix the problem of I can't get notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of I can't get notifications on Instagram. There is a lot of ways to fix this problem. First thing, make sure your Wi-Fi is fine. The second thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile, click on those three lines, click on setting and click on notifications. Now make sure that the option of pause all is off. And the second thing, click on post stories and comment notifications and see if they are turning off. If they are turning off, click on what do you want, like from people, from everyone, but don't let this option in off. Here I have comments. I turn this option to from everyone, and the first one, likes, it's on from everyone. And go back. If you are done, click on following and followers, and the same thing, like new followers, click on, like accept follow, click on, and keep doing this. Account suggestions on, mention on bio from everyone, and keep doing this to all of those options. If this doesn't work, now all you need to do is click on help and click on report a problem. Click on send feedback and write your feedback to Instagram's team. I can't receive my notifications or my message notifications or my notifications on my posts, and also you can take a screenshot and send them that screenshot. It will help you too much. And click on submit. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.